Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Do you want to create an amazing Gemini AI agent for free without need of any coding and programming skills in just few minutes? Then you are on the correct video. Because in this video, I have created such an amazing Gemini AI agent that as soon as I will receive a new comment on my YouTube channel, that Gemini AI agent will analyze the comment and reply accordingly. You can also create this amazing Gemini right away without need of any coding and programming skills using the software Pabbly Connect. First of all, let me show you how this agent is going to work in real time. Using a different account, I will post a new comment and within few minutes you will see I will receive an auto reply towards that comment. So let me add in the comment right here. Amazing video, I really like your video's quality. Okay, so I will post this comment on this video. As soon as I have done that, you will see within few minutes I will receive the reply from my Gemini AI agent. So let me show you the reply. So now it's been few minutes. I will refresh this page from here of the video. Now as I have refreshed this page, if I will scroll down to the comment section again, you will see I have received the reply. Yes, I have received the reply. It says thanks a lot. We put a lot of efforts into our video quality, so that really means a lot. So now as I've received the reply, this is how this amazing Gemini AI agent is going to work in real time. So without wasting any more of our time, let me show you how you can also create this Gemini AI agent without need of any coding and programming skills in just few minutes and absolutely for free using Pabbly Connect. So let's dive into this amazing video. So I'm creating this Gemini AI agent using Pabbly Connect. In order to access Pabbly Connect, search for pabbly.com/connect on a new tab and you will come to the landing page. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, simply sign up for free from here, using which you will get 100 free tasks, and using the 100 free tasks, you can create such amazing Gemini AI agents absolutely for free, okay? And if you like using Pabbly Connect and you want to make such amazing ultimate automations using Pabbly Connect, you can purchase our yearly or lifetime plan. Now, if you are planning to do that, do use the code that you can see on the right side of my screen, that is ANGYT. Using the code, you will get amazing discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime plans. The code is added in the description section as well. Do use it before you check out, okay? So sign in from here and you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. Now to create a Gemini agent, go towards this create workflow option and go towards this new flow builder section, that is create using AI. Add in the request over here in this prompt section, and according to the request, Gemini AI agent is going to generate you the entire workflow template. So let me add in my request. My request is I want Google AI Studio Gemini to automatically generate and post replies to comments on my YouTube channel whenever I receive a new comment. So this is my request. I will share this request towards this AI and you will see it will analyze my request. Now I have to select certain trigger events. On my YouTube trigger, whenever a new comment is there on my channel, automatically Gemini should generate the content for me and then reply to the comment that I've received. So this is the entire workflow I want. So I will approve and create and open this workflow from here. Now simply build the connections and this entire setup that is in front of you is done. Okay. Now let's set up the trigger. It is asking for the connection. For that, click on this connected option, go towards this add new connection option and click on this sign in with Google button. Now it is asking for us to select the account with the help of which you have created your YouTube channel. So select the account from here and then it is asking for the access of my YouTube account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. For the channel, I have created my channel over here in the name of test channel. You will see test channel. So I will select from the drop down test channel. As soon as a comment will be posted on this channel, my trigger is going to capture the response of that. The max result parameter, you have to select the number of results that you want to capture. So I want to capture only one result, so I will select over here as 1 and then it says save and send test request button. As soon as you will click right over here, the last comment that was posted on a YouTube channel will be captured in this trigger. So before that, what I will do is I'll go back to my channel, I will select another video and on that video I'm going to post a comment through a different account. So let's suppose I will select this video right over here and now I will post a comment So let me add in the comment right here. So my comment is, this volcano eruption video is absolutely breathtaking. The visuals, quality, overall cinematic feel are incredible. Every detail looks so realistic and powerful. Truly amazing work. So this is my comment. I will post it. As soon as I will post this comment, it's added in this video. You can see right away it's from demo12313. I'll go back and click on the save and send test request button, and you will see the same comment is going to be captured in this trigger response. You will see right over here, this is the same comment that I've posted. This volcano eruption video is absolutely breathtaking. It's from demo12313. You can see right over here with all the details. This comment has been captured in the response. This means YouTube is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now, whenever a new comment will be posted on your YouTube video, automatically that will be captured in the trigger, but it won't be captured instantly. Why? Because YouTube is a polling based application. It will take the trigger time that you will select in order to check in the new data. So over here it says the trigger will check for the new data in 10 minutes. So my trigger is going to check for the new data on my YouTube channel in every 10 minutes. So if there is a comment in every 10 minutes, the response will be captured in the trigger. Now if you want to change this trigger time, right click over here, click on the set trigger time option and select it according to your requirement from the drop down. Okay, so now after setting up our YouTube trigger, now let's move on to our Gemini action. For that, open the step, click on this connect button and go towards this add new connection option, where you need to provide the API key. To have the API key of your Gemini account, directly go towards this hyperlink and you will come to the playground page of your Gemini account. Now to get the key, go towards this get API key section. You will come towards this API keys page. Now you have to generate the key from this create API key button. I've already generated mine. So I will copy this key from here, paste it down in the field and click on the save button. As soon as I've done that, it is asking for the text. So now if you open Gemini, you need to enter the prompt. Okay, so now over here, instead of entering the prompt in Gemini, simply add a text right over here, and according to the text, Gemini will generate the content. So now for the prompt over here, I will write it as, so this is the prompt I've entered. You are a smart, friendly YouTube community manager AI. Your task is to generate short, natural, positive, engaging replies to YouTube comments automatically. You can see right away I've entered some of the instructions. I've entered about my YouTube channel, and you can see I've entered the and you can see I've entered the style of examples. The comment reply should be created like, I can watch this all day. That means a lot. More beautiful nature moments coming soon. You can see like this reply should be generated from my Gemini. So if you want this entire detailed prompt, comment down below, share prompt, and I will give you the prompt as soon as possible. Okay, so now next over here it is asking for the YouTube comment. For the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where you need to map the data, add a slash right there, and then you have to search for the comment. So I will write over here the comment, and you can see this is the comment that I have received, and towards this comment I want Gemini should generate the response. So I will select the data of this comment from my previous response, which makes this data mapped and dynamic. That means now whenever a new comment response will be captured in the trigger, automatically that new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. For the model over here, I will write it as Gemini Pro. So I will select over here Gemini Pro latest. Okay, method will be generate content. I will simply click on the save and send test request button. Gemini AI agent will take few seconds in order to generate the response, so you might have to wait for few seconds. And you can see this is the content that is generated. Thank you so much for the kind words. We are thrilled that you love the cinematic details of natural raw power. Stick around for more breathtaking moments. So you can see right here I have received the reply. Now let's post this Gemini comment back to this person who have made the comment. For that, we are going to set up this action step. I'm going to click on this connect button and select the existing connection from before. Okay, now for the reply text, I will map the data of this Gemini text that has been received, and for the comment ID, I will search for the ID and I will map the data of this comment ID and click on this save and send test request button. I have received this response, and in my YouTube, you can see if I'll refresh this page, automatically a reply is posted on the comment. So let me scroll down first. So you can see right over here the reply, the same reply that I have generated is been posted on this comment. So this is how you create this amazing Gemini AI agent absolutely for free without paying any. Absolutely for free without need of any coding and programming skills. Using the 100 free tasks that you will receive, you can create the setup right away without paying anything, okay? And you don't require any coding and programming skills. You just tell the prompt to your AI builder will generate you the entire template, create the connections, and everything is completed. So you can also create this amazing Gemini AI agent right away using Pabbly Connect. If you want the prompt, comment down, share prompt, and I will give you the prompt of this Gemini that I've used. If you want the entire template of this workflow, you can check out the workflow link in the description section where you will find the prompt of this Gemini AI agent as well. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Use the code ANGYT to get amazing discounts on the purchase of our yearly and lifetime plans. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.